Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds AirPods Pro. To enable or disable the HD audio, we need to enter into developer options. If you don't know how to enable developer options for your phone, at this channel we have a video just for your device. After you enable it, you need to go to the settings, then system, so we need to scroll down, tap at the system line, and right here, if you scroll down, you'll find developer options, if you enable it, of course. Tap at the developer options, and right here you have two options. You can or scroll down and you need to find HD audio, but also you can use the search. By the way, right here we have HD audio, we can use the search and you can write HD audio here. And as you can see, it's located in the developer options also. If you do not enable developer options on your phone, you can't find this line. So let's tap on it, and right here we have HD audio. To disable HD audio, you need to tap on time at the slider. And once you disable HD audio, now you will use SBC Bluetooth audio codec. And SBC is the most common codec. So to enable HD audio, you need to also tap on time at the slider. And once you enable it, in the developer options you can now switch between Bluetooth audio codecs, and now we can use AAC codec. What is better codec than SBC? That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.